Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we see how to download attachments from an email in Excel using VBA macros. And as an example, I have here a folder called attachments with an email that has two attachments. We're going to use this as an example. And you can find this and many other examples in Excel macros for Outlook. It explains how the Outlook object model works and how to manage and automate anything in Outlook from Excel, like open, close Outlook, get account information, navigate and move, delete folders and items such emails, and of course send emails with many different options, extract emails, create email rules automatically, create and extract appointments, meetings, contacts, tasks, and much more. And then if we go to the Visual Basic Editor, as usual, we insert module, sub, let's call this download mail attachments. We define the Outlook application variable and we declare outmail as a mail item. We're gonna get that email with OutApp from the Active Explorer, the current folder, which was that attachments folder that we saw earlier. And then we're gonna have items and get the last item, which there was only one, but we're gonna get that. And assuming, of course, it's a mail item. Now, if mail item dot attachments dot count is greater than 0, so if it has attachments, then we're gonna set the path where we want to save those attachments, for example, into this variable, and I'm gonna set that to this path in my drive. To see users, the username, administrator, documents, and a folder that I've created to save the attachments that I call attachments. And then for each mail attachment, and this is a variable in outmail.attachments, for each attachment, I'm gonna get the attachment name as mail attachment dot file name. We can get other properties of the attachment. We can, for example, get the attachment size, but we do not need the size to save it. We may want to know how big it is. And then we can simply say mail attachment save as file in the drive path, and if we add here, I forgot to add the backslash. If we add here backslash, we can concatenate that with the attachment name and move to the next mail attachment. And the if statement here. If I run this, it was quick. We can go back now to this folder and see the two files that we've downloaded from the email. And if we want to download attachments from many emails, we should put all of this into another loop that goes through all the emails in a folder, for example. It's all explained in the book as well. If you want to go deeper into this subject, I recommend you get the book. So this is how we download email attachments in Excel using VBA macros. Thanks for watching.